So, while VW dazzled the press gathered around the world in September with its tiny all-electric ID.4 crossover, VW simultaneously invited a select group of marginalized journalists to Oxnard to visit the company's facilities, sample the company's upcoming Taos 2022, a conventional engine-powered crossover. Compact, and steeped in the new 1.5-liter turbocharged, 4-cylinder engine. Nearly a foot shorter, the Taos is more compact than the Tiguan, sized to compete in the hot twerp ute market, a growing segment that includes the trendy Nissan Kicks, the powerful Honda Hour-V, the snazzy Mazda CX-3, and less. Excited Ford EcoSport. It's an important genre, not only because of its insane sales growth, but because cheap crossovers are often the entry point for young customers buying the brand for the first time. And that's for a business school marketing lesson. The pre-production prototype in hand is lightly camouflaged to avoid shocking observers psychologically unprepared for the immersive visual impact of a small SUV that looks like a dehydrated Tiguan. On the outside it's wrapped in white vinyl, with subtle graphic elements pasted onto the headlights and covering the logo. On the inside, the blurred dashpad covers almost everything except the tachometer and speedometer. It included air ventilation, and it was quite a hot day. The flagship attraction here is really the new 1.5-liter turbo engine. It is destined to replace the 1.4-liter Turbo 4 that is currently the standard powerplant on the Jetta and Golf in the United States market. The 1.5-liter has slightly increased the piston bore diameter to achieve the new displacement, but the big change is the use of some technology from the EA 888 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 found in the Tiguan. The new engine will be capable of operating on Volkswagen's modified Miller cycle combustion under light load conditions, which it named the Slave cycle after its developers. When operating in the Slave, the intake valve closes earlier than during normal operation, reducing the amount of fuel and oxygen entering and restoring higher efficiency. The 1.5-liter engine will also use a variable propeller turbocharger to increase its responsiveness. VW rates the new engine at 158 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, which will be the only engine on the Taos. That beat out competitors like the 141 HP Nissan Rogue Sport, 147 HP 2.0-liter Kia Soul, and the 148 HP Mazda CX-3. And VW will push that advantage by backing an engine with a conventional 8-speed automatic transmission in the front drive version of the Taos. The all-wheel drive version will get the familiar 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. The new 1.5-liter will be built at VW's engine plant in Silao, Mexico, which opened in 2013. And the Taos, designed for the North American market, will also be built in Mexico. The route chosen by VW is flat and not curved. There's a short burst south on Highway 101, but no challenging trails. However, there are a few opportunities along the way to stop and buy freshly picked strawberries from the coastal plain fields.